Hello friends, welcome back with another video. In this video I am going to start with quick revision of the medicine part 2. So let's get started. Renal artery stenosis is associated with atherosclerosis, polyarteritis nodosa, Takyasu arteries and Marfan syndrome. To diagnose diabetic nephropathy, earliest sensitive test is microalbuminuria. In CRF, seen in hyperkalemia, metabolic acidosis, hypocalcemia, but not hypophosphatemia. Renal vein thrombosis associated with trauma, nephrotic syndrome, dehydration, and not in sickle cell anemia. Most common cause of acute superior mesenteric arterial obstruction is embolism. Investigation of choice for amoebic liver disease abscesses is serum entamoeba antibodies. Poodle sign is seen in ascites. Wenge-Jones protein in urine is suggestive of multiple myeloma. Gold standard method of diagnosing celiac disease is small bowel biopsy. Patient present with tachycardia. BP is less than 100 mm systolic and postural hypotension. Diagnosis is bleeding peptic ulcer. Typhoid ulcer, longitudinal pear patches, perforation is common. Ileum is the commonest site. Bleeding is common and stricture is rare. Budd-Chiari syndrome is hepatic vein thrombosis. Most important investigation of diagnosis of Johnlinger-Ellison syndrome is secretin injection test. Best marker to assess prognosis after surgery of colon carcinoma, CEA. Typhoid ulcer perforation mostly occur in 3 to 4 weeks. Next one, feature of carcinoid syndrome: wheezing, diarrhea, flushing. Young man to casualty with hematemesis with mild splenomegaly. Cause of bleeding is esophageal varices. Patient with vomiting content of food taken few days back with foul smell, breath and occasional dysphagia to solid food. Diagnosis is Jenker diverticulum. Hepatosplenomegaly is not seen in sickle cell disease. Chance that a health worker get HIV from an accidental needle prick is 0.3%. Screening test for HIV infection and patient prior to development of antibodies. Early diagnosis in window period. P24 antigen. Fecal oral transmission occur in poliomyelitis. Spirochetes can be identified by dark field microscopy. Most common CNS manifestation of HIV infection is dementia. Post-exposure prophylaxis for HIV should be given for minimum period of 4 weeks. Bacteria causing vomiting and diarrhea within 4 hours of food intake is Staphylococcus aureus. Within 8 to 16 hours, Clostridium perfringens. More than 60 hours, Salmonella and Vibrio cholera. Drug used to treat cryptococcal meningitis is amphotericin B. Typhoid fever first week blood culture, second week wider test, third week urine culture. Drug given as a single dose to prevent mother to child HIV transmission is nevirapine. Which infection is common after organ transplantation is cytomegalovirus. Most common malignancy in AIDS is Kaposi sarcoma. Average incubation period of AIDS is 10 years. Pathognomic lesion in HIV is oral leukoplakia. Acromegaly is associated with nasal sinus enlargement, increased heel pad thickness, diabetic mellitus, and not muscle hypertrophy. People tried symptom of hypoglycemia, low blood glucose, and symptom improve after glucose administration. Most common cause of spontaneous hypoglycemia in non-diabetic individuals: alcohol consumption. Down phenomena refers to early morning hyperglycemia. Which nerve is the most commonly affected in diabetic mononeuropathy is oculomotor. Most common cause of congenital hypothyroidism is thyroid agenesis. Treatment of childhood hypothyroidism is levothyroxine. Feature of hypothyroidism: carpal tunnel syndrome, cold intolerance, and increased sleep. Next one, and TSH level increased. Drugs of choice for diabetic insipidus: desmopressin. Drugs of choice for SIADH: damiclocycline. Slow relaxation of tendon reflex may be manifestation of hypothyroidism. Complication in DM occur around 20 years of onset. Pheochromocytoma predominantly secrete which hormone? Norepinephrine. Exercise insulin level are associated with pancreatic cancer. Seen in Cohen syndrome, hyponatremia. Feature of hyperthyroidism is heat tolerance, weight loss, increased appetite, tachycardia, and hypertension, tremor, muscle wasting, nervous, gynecomastia, hypercalcemia, and chronic diarrhea. Which play an important role of treatment of diabetic ketoacidosis? Insulin. Most common Cause of hyperparathyroidism adenoma, Cushing syndrome, weight gain, hypertension, hirsutism, and non-hypoglycemia. Most common cause of hypothyroidism in India, iodine deficiency. Investigation of choice for primary hypothyroidism, elevated TSH. Most common form of diabetic neuropathy is sensory motor polyneuropathy. Test of choice for diagnosis, Cushing syndrome, overnight low dose DEXA suppression test. Hypercalcemia is decreased by ethironate, calcitonin, glucocorticoid, and not with lithium. ECG changes in hypomagnesemia is increased QT level, and Chvostek sign is seen in hypocalcemia. ECG finding in hypokalemia, increased U wave, increased PR interval with ST depression. Increased anion gap is seen in starvation, salicylate poisoning, renal failure, decay, methanol and ethanol poisoning, lactic acid. Normal anion gap is seen in diarrhea. Neurological manifestation of water intoxication, headache, confusion, convulsion. Feature of hyponatremia, nausea, vomiting, anorexia. ECG changes for few conditions: hypocalcemia, prolonged ST and QT interval; hypercalcemia, shortened ST segment and whitened T wave; hypokalemia, ST depression, flat or inverted T wave with prominent U wave; hyperkalemia, tall peak T wave, flat P wave, wide QRS complex, prolonged PR interval; hypomagnesemia, tall T wave and depressed ST segment; and hypermagnesemia, prolonged PR interval with widened QRS complex. Easily recognized sign of zinc deficiency is white spot, band or lines on fingernail. Pontine myelinosis occur due to rapid correction of hyponatremia. Wrinkle encephalopathy, thiamine deficiency. CSF finding in tubercular meningitis, raised protein, decreased glucose, increased lymphocyte. Bilateral facial palsy is seen in GVS. For status epilepticus, treatment of choice lorazepam. In rabies, Negri bodies can be detected in neuron. Seen in Parkinsonism, rigidity, static tremor, hypokinesia. Brain death is defined as loss of brainstem function. Upper motor neuron lesion is characterized by weakness and spasticity. Characteristic of GVS, loss of limb reflex. Spike and dome pattern is seen in patental absence, seizure. Argyll-Robertson pupil is seen in neurosyphilis. Most common cause of SAH is saccular aneurysm rupture. Most common cause of meningitis in adult is streptopneumonia. Carrying sign is seen in pyogenic meningitis. Most common cause of intracranial bleeding is hypertension. Cranial nerve commonly involved in GVS is facial. Proximal muscles weakness, myasthenia gravis, and adrophonium test. MDR-TV resistance in INH and rifampicin. XDR-TV resistant to INH, rifampicin, and any quinolones, and first injectable and second line drugs. Paradoxical breathing is seen in diaphragmatic palsy. Cosmal respiration is a feature of metabolic acidosis. Cause of clubbing, bronchogenic emphysema and bronchiectasis. Drug used in treatment of status asthmaticus, MgSO4, corticosteroid, adrenaline. Lung cancer is most common associated with asbestosis. Features seen in ARDS, pulmonary edema, hypoxemia, stiff lung. Hypercapnia is seen in severe asthma, anaphylaxis, inhalation wound injury. Silicosis is associated with pulmonary fibrosis. Sign of cor pulmonale, elevated jugular vein pulsation, hepatomegaly, peripheral edema. Most common occupational malignancy in India is skin. Positive and respiratory pressure is useful in ARDS, pneumonia, pulmonary edema, and atelectasis. Next one, ECG pattern seen in pulmonary embolism is S1, Q3, T3. Most common ECG changes in pulmonary embolism, sinus tachycardia. Most common of ILD is dyspnea. Investigation of choice for diagnosing lung sequestration is angiography. Hematopsis is commonly seen in pulmonary thromboembolism. Pan-acinar emphysema, alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency. Treatment regimen for Hodgkin lymphoma: ABVD, adriamycin, bleomycin, vinblastine, and dakarvagine. Treatment regimen for multiple myeloma, VAD. Treatment regimen for B cells chronic lymphoid leukemia, CHOP. Features seen in tumor lysis syndrome, hyperuricemia, hyperkalemia, hypophosphatemia, hypocalcemia, ARF. Male present with gynecomastia, galactorrhea, hypogonadism. Likely diagnosis is prolactinoma. Tumor lysis syndrome is associated with treatment of Burkitt lymphoma. Prognosis of lymphoma depend on Number of lymph node, site, tumor size, and tumor stage. Treatment of managing prolactinoma is bromocriptine. SCAN to high altitude may cause HAC, high altitude cerebral edema, and venous thrombosis. Smoking predispose cancer of larynx, cancer bladder, cancer esophagus. Immunoglobulin that cross placenta, IgG. Immunoglobulin that found in mucous secretion, IgA. Immunoglobulin involved in type 1 hypersensitivity reaction, IgE. Mechanism of action of thalidomide is immunomodulation. Edema is visible when the amount of fluid accumulated to 5 to 6 liters. 5-year-old patient, back pain, multiple joint pain, excess, so bilateral sarcoiditis. Diagnosis could be ankylosing spondylitis. Patient clinical observation, finger stiffness, dysphagia, probable diagnosis scleroderma. Predominant condition leukoplakia, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and not retinitis pigmentosa. Hypercholesterolemia is commonly associated with nephrotic syndrome, obstructive liver disease, anorexia nervosa, Cushing syndrome, hypothyroidism, and CRF DM, diabetic mellitus. Most specific antibody for SLE, anti-SM antibodies. Bone age corresponds to chronic age in familiar short stature. Pre-obesity is defined as BMI 25 to 29.9. Obesity is BMI of 30 plus. Underweight BMI less than 80.5. Normal. Alkaline phosphatase is elevated in MI, biliary cirrhosis, pregnancy, and not in pernicious anemia. Tourniquet test is positive if the patches are more than 20 patches per square inch. Most common cause of short stature is constitutional. Most severe and persistent symptom for acute mountain sickness is headache. Anti-DNA antibodies are specific for SLE. Treatment of choice for Wegener granulomatosis, steroid. Endocarditis is most commonly seen in MR, mitral regurgitation. Infective endocarditis most commonly seen in VSD, ventricoseptal defect. Escoph nodules are seen in rheumatic carditis. Diffuse axonal injury is best diagnosed by MRI. Cluster headache is characterized by unilateral onset, 20 to 50 years of life, associated with conjunctival congestion. Drugs of choice for acute attack of migraine is sumatriptan. Most common cause of CVA is embolism. Method used to decrease ICP, furosemide, mannitol, hyperventilation. Non-diabetic, non-hypertensive adult male develops sudden severe headache with altered sensorium. Likely diagnosis is SAS. Most common of hypertension hemorrhage is putamen external capsule. Commonest cause of intracellular bleed is hypertension. STS most common result from injury to cortical bridging vein. Chromosomal anomaly associated with Alzheimer's dementia is trisomy 21. Alzheimer's disease is associated with dementia. Triad of normal pressure hydrocephalus include gait disorder, urinary incontinence, and dementia. Features of wrinkle encephalopathy, alteration in mental function, ophthalmoplegia, ataxia. Feature of Parkinsonism, tremor at rest, akinesia, rigidity. Painless wound in hand is a feature of syringomegalia. Vitamin B12 deficiency can give rise to myelopathy, optic atrophy, and peripheral neuropathy. Next one, pyramidal tract involvement with absent ankle jerk is seen in the Fredical ataxia. A most sensitive test for diagnosis of myasthenia gravis, positive adroponium test. Dystrophic gene mutation lead to Duchenne muscular dystrophy. CSF finding in TB meningitis, raised protein, low sugar, low chloride. Characteristic finding in CT in a TB case, exudas seen in basal cistern. Drugs of choice for herpes simplex encephalopathitis, acyclovir. Duchenne muscular dystrophy is a disease of sarcolemmal protein. Gene of myotonic dystrophy is coded in chronic chromosome number 19. Characteristic feature of frontal lobe tumor is antisocial behavior. Feat of Sturge-Weaver syndrome, rail track appearance, hematropy of brain, convulsion. Pure motor paralysis seen in polio. After minor head injection, patient unable to close his left eye, head rolling of saliva, and from left angle of mouth. Probably he is suffering from seventh nerve palsy. Earliest manifestation of increased ICV following head injury, ipsilateral papillary dilation. Lewy bodies seen in Parkinsonism. Most common primary CNS tumor, astrocytoma, and Pachamama bodies seen in the meningioma. Most common brain tumor in children in medulloblastoma. Kobe formation in CSF seen in tuberculosis. Most common cause of SH rupture or vertebral artery aneurysm. Alzheimer's disease is an associated with dementia. In In tuberculosis meningitis, CSF finding is low sugar. Lithium used in pregnant women, congenital anomaly in babies abstain normally. Prolactin secretion is inhibited by dopamine. Drugs of choice for epilepsy in pregnancy is phenobarbital. Osteomalacia, gingival hyperplasia, and facial hirsutism are side effects of the phenytoin. Antipsychotic drug-induced Parkinsonism is treated by anticholinergics. Most common cause of Cushing syndrome is iatrogenic steroid. Clinical features of Cushing syndrome: insulin resistance, violaceous stray, centripetal obesity, HTN, hypertension, frank psychosis, hypokalemia. Most common cause of adrenal insufficiency in India: tuberculosis. Feature of Addison's disease: asthenia, hyperpigmentation, abdominal pain, hypotension, hyperkalemia, hyponatremia, hypoglycemia. Cohen syndrome is associated with hypertension, muscle weakness, hypokalemia. HLA associated diabetic type 1. Patient having fasting and postprandial sugar with limit but urine sugar is 3 pillar. Diagnosis: renal glycosuria. Dancing carotid is seen in thyrotoxicosis. Best marker to diagnose thyroid related disorder: TSH. Most common cause of thyroiditis is Hashimoto-thyroiditis. Most common presentation of endemic goiter is hypothyroidism. Pheochromocytoma predominantly secrete norepinephrine. Zollinger-Ellison syndrome: triad peptic ulcer, gastric hypersecretion, non-beta cell tumor. Carcinoid tumor is most common in appendix. Treatment of hypercalcemia include gallium nitrate, piliasamine, ethironate. Most common cause of primary hyperparathyroidism is solitary parathyroid adenomas. Subtle presentation of hyperparathyroidism is abdominal pain. Osteoporosis may be seen in thyrotoxicosis, chronic heparin therapy, steroid therapy, RA, and hyperparathyroidism. A 30-year female present with secondary amenorrhea with galactorrhea, likely cause of prolactinoma. SIADH is associated with small cell carcinoma lungs. SIADH is characterized by hyponatremia and urine sodium excretion more than 20 milliequivalent per liter. Drug essential in Sihans syndrome is cortisone. Thank you.